Good evening. It's Saturday night,
What's going on?
February 18th, 2017. I'm
Foxbury.
Corey.
Spencer.
How's it going? All right. It's been a week. It's been too long. I'm excited to open this Unparalleled tonight. Last one I saw had a Jerry Rice number to 10 auto pulled. I believe it was you and I that did that. Way back. It would have been the end of summer? Beginning right when this stuff came out. Anyway.
I can't remember what I did yesterday, Corey. So.
Okay. All right. Well, what do you want to lead off with? I'll let you pick, Spencer.
We're going to start off with, we're going to open playoff also and then some prestige.
Excellent.
So I think we're going to start off with the playoff and then go unparalleled and prestige.
Sounds good to me, man.
So.
All right. Well, let's get this thing rolling here. We're going to head over to random.org. Got our list already on there. We're going to do 3 randomizations and get this thing going. After 1, Spencer on top, Hunter on the bottom. After 2, John S. on top, Jack C. on the bottom. After 3, Michael S. on top, John S. on the bottom. All right. Now we'll get our people in here. And there's our teams, and there's our folks.
Awesome.
So let's get rolling.
Jason, welcome to the box break, by the way.
Yeah, Jason F. Excellent. Hope you get something good tonight.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got here.
You can hear the ambient sound of kids playing games behind us. The shop's pretty packed tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody out there playing arcade games, pool, air hockey.
All right. It's an empty box. Should have 6 packs, I believe.
Yeah, I got 6 as well.
All right. Let's see what we get.
What do you think?
All right. Let's start us off here.
Go ahead, yeah.
We got Luke Keechley, Blake Bortles, Duke Johnson, Larry Fitzgerald, Chris Harris, Phillip Rivers, Air Marshals, or Air Command, my bad. Stargazing, Amari Cooper, and then a Cordell Jones rookie.
We got a Cam Newton, Dwayne Allen, Jeremy Hill, Marcus Peters, Cole Beasley, Blake Bortles, Air Marshals, Phillip Rivers, Stargazing, and a Jermaine Ifedi rookie card. Got a was that a Phillip Rivers auto pulled today? Patch auto today? Was that today?
Yesterday, I believe.
Okay.
Got Antonio Brown, Jarvis Landry. That is LeGarrette Blount. Oh, excuse me. Doug Martin, Eric Decker, Matt Stafford, Clay Matthew, reunion class of 2009. That one's going to go to the Lions. Box Hogs, LaShawn McCoy, and Emmanuel Oba.
All right. That's the Tom Brady, Jameis Winston, Brandon Marshall, Ray Lewis, Nelson Aguilar. Here's a Tony Romo Thunder, TJ Yeldon, Boss Hogs, and a Paul Perkins rookie, Giants.
All right, then we got Terrell Suggs, Tyler Eifert, Ryan Tannehill, CJ Anderson, Steve Smith Sr., Richard Sherman Thunder. We got Stargazing Ben Roethlisberger and Nate Sudfeld rookie.
All right. David Johnson, Von Miller, Robert Mathis, AJ Green, Eric Berry. Here's a Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman class reunion. Nice card. Drew Brees and Darren Lee. No hit?
What?
No hits yet?
Yeah, no hits yet.
Wow.
It looks like my last pack's a thick one, and I don't know. Got Philip Dorsett, Ray Maluga, Carson Palmer, Mohamed Sanu, Eddie Lacy. That's Andrew Luck Thunder. Stargazing Larry Fitz. And then a Taylor Decker rookie.
Alright. Terry Bradshaw, Travis Benjamin, there's Gronk, Mike Evans, there's a Rob Gronkowski numbered to 99. Look at that, got two Rob Gronk numbers in one day. That's after never seeing any, hardly. Here's Ray Lewis, Marvin Harrison, rookie 1996 class. C.J. Anderson, Boss Hog, and Vincent Valentine, former Husker.
Oh, yeah. We got Jim Kelly, Ben Roethlisberger, Dan Fouts, and then Colin Kaepernick. Another Dan Fouts. That one's numbered out of 199. Ryan Tannehill, Mark Ingram, Boss Hogs. Whoop, flying card. And then that is a Cyrus Jones rookie.
It must be these last two packs.
That's what I'm
dude.
saying. This one's really thick.
Chris Carter, Melvin Gordon, Harrison Smith, Earl Thomas, Matt Forte. Here's another class reunion. Ray Lewis, Marvin Harrison. This one's like got the gold variant. This one's numbered to 99 actually. 42 of 99. How do we do the
That one's gonna go to the Ravens.
go to the top? Okay, yeah. This one will go to the Ravens, which was Bill, numbered to 99. Derrick Henry and Devontae Booker.
This doesn't happen very often, but I don't think we got hit in this box.
Might have all been in this
You're supposed to get it's one autograph, one memorabilia on average.
on average, yeah. Well, we'll see.
Everything,
We
so-
still got one pack.
Got Trevor Simeon, Buck Allen, Randall Cobb, Kelvin Benjamin, Braxton Miller out of 49, Andy Dalton, Jameis Winston stargazing, and then a Keith Marshall rookie.
All
can't
right,
believe
well,
that.
we got the auto in this one here. Martellus Bennett, Vincent Jackson, Muhammad Wilkerson. It's upside down, Danny Woodhead. Tom Brady, Air Marshal. Matt Jones, Boss Hog. Chris Moore, rookie. And Sharon Peak for the Jets, number to 199. Going out to Ruben. Good hit, Ruben. Number to 199. Sharon Peak for the Jets.
That's odd.
Yeah, we got one
haven't seen
auto.
that in
One
forever.
auto, but no memorabilia.
Wow.
All right, well, we will be right back with what are we hitting next? Unparalleled or
Some unparalleled.
unparalleled next? All right, we will be right back, folks.